Hey guys, it's Christabel here from hackyouronlinebusiness.com. Now in this video, I want to take you on a house tour of my house in Mexico. So 2 months ago, we moved into this house and it's been great, and we signed a contract till the end of the year, so we'll be here for a while, which is kind of refreshing because we've been moving around a lot. As an online entrepreneur, as a digital nomad, I haven't really had a place to call my own for a long time, and so this house has been amazing. I'm super excited that we'll be here for a while. The past 2 months have just been great. Neighbors are nice. The location is amazing. We are close to the city center. We are actually in the city center. And we moved to this city called San Miguel de Allende to pretty much escape from the whole coronavirus situation in Mexico City. As you know, we work online, we run our business online, and so we don't have to be based in one city, right? So we decided to move out of that big city because we foresaw that it was gonna be this massive shit show of the virus. And so 2 months ago, we moved to San Miguel de Allende. We were, renting an Airbnb for a month first, and then eventually we found this house. This house has 3 floors, and right now I'm on the rooftop where I work out, almost every single day. Where, as you can see behind me, those are very typical structures for San Miguel de Allende. The houses have these amazing rooftops, and you see those everywhere. So as you can see over here, this area here is where I work out in the morning. You gotta keep fit during the coronavirus. You don't want to end the quarantine unhealthy. So over here, I've got a yoga mat and a couple of rubber bands to work out. These are literally all you need to stay healthy while working from home. And even before the whole coronavirus, I would work out very often from home because moving a lot, or in different cities. So sometimes working from home has always been just the best option for me. And so this is where I work out. Now let's go into the house. So this is the office that I work in. It's one of the smaller rooms in the house. If you've been watching my past YouTube videos, then you probably recognize this setup, which is where I record all of my YouTube videos as well. So as you can see here, this is the whiteboard that you might recognize if you've been watching my YouTube videos, where I've been using this whiteboard to walk you guys through a lot of processes and marketing tactics. I have my camera over here. This is the camera, a simple camera that I use to record my YouTube videos. It's actually a Logitech webcam. So a lot of times people, they are like, I'm not ready to start recording video for YouTube because I don't have the right camera. Guys, come on, I use a webcam to shoot my YouTube videos. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what camera you use. Like for this video, I'm recording using my iPhone, right? I'm not, this is connected to my laptop when I'm doing my YouTube tutorial videos. So don't ever let the lack of the expensive Canon cameras or DSLRs to stop you from creating content. So let me show you what I have over here. This is the Boya microphone that I am using for all of my YouTube videos. And I also have this little protective case for my microphone for my podcasting. So I've got, the stand for the tables, and so on and so forth. So this is great when we travel and I need to check in my podcasting gear, my microphone. I don't want that to, destroy my microphone. So this has been great. And then, as you can see over here, these are post-it notes that basically are ideas that I have. Every time I have ideas and I'm like, where do I note them down? And I want to remember them, I want to see them. I write down all these post-it notes, around my office. I'm a big fan of post-it notes. So those are actually the goals that I have for this year. I wrote them in December last year, and then I actually revised some of it because one of it was speak at 5 conferences, and obviously with the whole coronavirus that is not gonna happen this year, so I revised it. As you can see over here, I have the Social Media Week Austin batch that I recently spoke at in February, and this is the last in-person conference that I've spoken at for this year. Kind of said I don't know when would be the next time I'll be able to speak at an in-person conference, not because of any other reason other than the coronavirus stopping people from gathering in crowds, right? And yeah, so let's go check out the rest of the house. So over here, this is the first bedroom. This is the main bedroom that we use. This is the kitchen, and I didn't bother tidying up for you guys. But yeah, when you live in Mexico, you gotta always have one of these huge ass bottles of water at home. This is clean water. You actually cannot drink out of the tap if you live in Mexico. So now let's see what else we have. And this is the amazing little pantry that is running low on stuff. So we need to go to the supermarket soon. So let me show you what we have. You're getting older and then you just need to start consuming collagen. So this is actually a local Mexican brand. I found it here. It's collagen. I've been taking collagen for the past 2 weeks, mostly because my knees are hurting from playing sports so much when I was younger that now I need to start consuming collagen. If not, my knees really hurt. So I hope you enjoyed the house tour of my place here in San Miguel de Allende. Don't forget that if you have not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button as well. So thanks guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.